chunkier vegetable and green lentil soup. So here we go. Pan on, a little bit of oil. Also going to use smoke it, so I'm going to take off some butter. About that much butter, just make a little bit of a room. Use some flour to thicken this. So put that back on there. I've got my onions, they're finely diced, so I've already done that. We've got them ready. So now I'm just going to use a leek. So I'm probably going to use about that much. Let's keep that somewhere. Just cut that in half, take the centre out, leek. Put that to the side. So we're going to cut across so it's like into the baton shape. There we go. Not much there, and then we're going to cut across to make it nice and small for the soup. Cool. One more. Any long bits we're just moving to the side. And another long bit there. Let's get that in there. I'm just going to keep that over there for later. I'm also going to use some celery. So we're going to get that cut down. Again, just cut that down. Like so. Maybe another half. My actual board is smoking because it's on the. Oh god. Look at that. Eh? It's got a bit of a wooden aroma now. Okay, I did a really tiny little space to do this. So, cool. Might be able to take the wash machine empty. Right, it's okay. I've got onions, leeks, celery, small diced. Get those ready to go because again, this is going to cook really quickly as soon as we put it in there. Okay, quick stir. Okay. I'm also going to use some carrot, not that much. So let's cut the side off. We've got a base, so it's nice and sturdy. Cut down. And then cut across again. Get this kind of little batteny shape. Do that there. Keep an eye on the onions because they're going to cook a lot quicker because they're a lot smaller. Because they're quite a small size. And then get the carrots all lengthways and we're going to cut across to little squares. Cool, that's done. And then we're just going to put that in as well. That's cooking all nicely. We've got the celery, onions, carrot. All in there. Also got some bay leaf that we should drop in there. Cook that out. Some salt. Get that going. Also got a little bit of garlic. This one I'm just going to cut quite small. I'm just going to dice it like that. There we go. Let's chop it down. Always keep an eye on the pan because it's cooking really quickly now. One more incision there. I'm going to cut across there. And that'll be done. Drop that in there. Cook that out. Okay, right. You can really smell the. You really get the fragrance of the bay leaf, which is really, really. I'm also going to add a little bit of cauliflower as well. Just pick them off over there. down. Just cut it into a smaller shape. So got my little bits of celery, my little bits of cauliflower cut down there. Drop it in. Put all that in here. A bit of flavour. Okay. So I've also got some of these green beans that I'm just going to cut down. You see them? Again, lengthways. Cut across. We'll cut them quite small. So, put that in the soup. So I'm cooking them out in the butter and the oil. Now I'm going to add a little bit of flour to thicken it slightly. So I've got about that much flour, it's about a tablespoon, not too much. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Give that a stir. I'll stir it for a few minutes just to cook the flour up. There we go. Right, now as we're getting that ready, I'm going to get some water for the stock. Cooking it. Ooh, hit my head again. Okay. So I'm going to add about a little bit of spillage there. Okay. So now we're going to add about, I've got 500 there, so if I add about 300 millilitres, and that's going to, if you look at the soup now, see that? Okay. Something smoking a little bit there, I don't know what it was, probably a little bit of cauliflower. Okay, so what I'm also going to do now is, whilst that's cooking out, I've got some green lentils, which I'm just going to drop in. How many are we going to need? Just put some in the bowl. So I've got a few there, I'm just going to drop them in. Don't want too many, okay. Oh, spilling them everywhere, they're going everywhere. We got lentils everywhere. Okay, I reckon that. Okay. Right, so now that's going to be cooking out. I'll leave that now for about 10 minutes to boil. The lentils will cook out, the vegetables are going to cook out, the flour's going to cook out. If you have a look at it now, it's like so. It's looking good, it's looking colourful. I'm just going to add a tiny little bit more water. Okay, now I'm just going to bring that to the boil and I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes, 10 minutes to 15 minutes. The soup's been bubbling away there for about 10-12 minutes now. The lentils are cooked, the vegetables are cooked, so now we're just going to finish it off. Just give it a quick taste. So I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. So give it a stir. Then to finish it off, I'm just going to add some herbs in there as well. So I've got some flat leaf parsley. And I've also got a little bit of dill. So any bad bits like that, we'll just lose them. I've got a little bit there, that's probably enough. It's really, I love the smell of the herbs, the smell of the vegetables, the smell of the food. It's just. So we got flat leaf there. That's that one. And the dill is this one looking like that. Yeah. Okay. So let's just pick the flat leaf off a little bit off the stalks. You got some there, a little bit there. That's probably about enough. So let's just keep all this to the side, and I'll use that later. Again with the herbs, we pick them all, just roll it into a bowl, we put them all together, look. And then when they're together in the bowl, we just cut down nice and small. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Careful not to cut your fingers with a sharp knife. So then I'm just going to drop this into the soup. I'm going to leave a little bit there because I just want to sprinkle a little bit of herbs on the top to garnish the soup. So let's get that in there. So as you can see, that's in there now. Look at that. Okay. What I'm also going to do is I'm also going to add a little bit of cream. You don't have to add a little bit of cream, but I'm just going to add a little bit of cream right now. Go in there. Let's have a look. Ooh. Okay, let's give that a taste. It's hot. It's really hot. Bloody hell. Okay. So now, I'm just going to boil it on there for another few seconds. Let's get the cream going through there, then we're going to put it in the bowl and we're going to taste some. Okay, there's my bowl. Get me a bowl on there. Just boil it out. So, how's it looking? It's looking pretty good. Okay, look at that. So, here's the soup in there, look. Just going to get it in the bowl. Got all the vegetables. Carrot, celery, onions, bits of cauliflower, little bits of cauliflower in there. Got some bay leaf in there, but I'll leave the bay leaf in the pot, and some green beans. A few more vegetables. And we've also got the lentils going through it as well. Okay. We've got to just give the bowl a little bit of a wipe there. Look, just spilt it. Okay. If you have a look, can you have a look now? That in there. Got vegetables, and now we'll put a little bit of herbs on the top. A few of the herbs on the top as well. Do you know what? There's a little bit of stalk on there. Stalk. Okay. There we go. And that's the vegetable, chunky mixed vegetables, herbs and green lentil soup. I finished it off with a little bit of cream, but you don't have to put the cream in there. And yeah, there we go. Thank you very much.